Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. I'm Shikha, your host on behalf of Consultees with ClearTex. Let us all welcome Mr. Rohan Mehta. CA Rohan is a fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. He has also completed certified course on forensic accounting and fraud detection and company law and specializes in statutory audits under Companies Act. He has almost a decade's experience working as a trusted advisor with the finance function of several organizations and providing values added services to CFO's office.
Uh, Hello, friends. Good evening. I am your host for the day. So, for next 1 hour, we will be discussing more in detail about Power BI. In our last webinar, we discussed what is business intelligence, how business intelligence is changing the work environment around us, uh, what are the various Power BI tools that are available in the market, and then we moved on to the one of the Power BI tools that is available in the market, that is Power BI. We discussed various features of Power BI, and then in that last webinar we also saw few images of how Power BI reports look like. So today in this video we will see more of those Power BI files and how uh, things change around Power BI files and how you can use Power BI for various presentation, MIS reports, and also how you can share those MIS report across your organization and also with your clients and colleagues. So I'll start by sharing my screen. So this is how a Power BI desktop looks like. It is majorly divided into three parts. This is the visualization part. This is a part where the data is stored in tabular manner. Okay, so this is the part where data is stored in tabular manner. These are the various tables that are in which the data is being stored. So in this report, we have divided data into 4 tables, and this is the third part of Power BI, where we define relationship between the tables. So here we have defined one-to-one and one-to-many or many-to-one relationship between the various tables that we will be using to create Power BI reports. Going back to the visualization part of the Power BI desktop. So once you have tabulated your data and you have done the cleaning process in that data, we move to visualization, where we use various visualizations available to, to give the right picture of the data available with us. So we'll discuss about each and table one by one, and I'll show you how things change with every click on Power BI. So this first table gives data about gross profit by fiscal period, that is Q4. Okay, I'll enlarge this thing for a better understanding. Okay, so this report gives us quarter-wise profit across various periods. So on y-axis there are quarters, x-axis shows the profit, and then we have bars depending on the profit that company has made on the various periods. This is the same data, but it is instead of bar we have prepared a line chart. So again, line chart of a gross profit made across various period has been shown by a different visual. This table here gives a various details about the products that a company deals in. It gives details of units sold, total revenue of that product, cost of goods sold for the total revenue goods sold, gross profit made on the sales, daily average revenue, and gross profit percentage. Now this one table gives a good amount of information about the products that a company deals in. Now all these report we have seen on a loan basis, on an individual basis. But now if you want to see sale of a particular product across various quarters, you did not go anywhere. You just need to go and click on that any particular product. So let's say if you want to see the sale of Sunset, then I click on Sunset, and then accordingly every data in this visual will get filtered for only this Sunset product. So if you can see, now if I enlarge this particular chart, okay, we'll choose a bigger product here so that figures are more visual. So we select quad, and we can see the sales that of a particular product has made in various quarters. This is Q3 sales of only that product. This is Q3 2018 sale of again only that product, and so on. Now again this data can be is of various regions. As of now we are only seeing data related to Northeast region. As you can see, it is only that is highlighted. So I'll just unclick this, and now this data is for the entire region, that is for all the regions. Again there are slicer for year, wherein if you select on a particular year, the data will get filtered for that year only. And again all the visual across the table has changed. On the top they have kept up KPIs, key performing indicators that they want to monitor. And again on based on various clicks and filters, these figures will keep on changing. So this scenario gives us details about Viot product only for Northwest region and for a period of 2018. So this is one more table. Again, it talks about product wise daily average revenue and margins. So this was one very basic table. We have seen very few things. Let us move to a related complex one. Okay, let us see this. Okay, now as you can see, the colors and the dynamics of the table has also changed. So obviously options are available to fabricate or paint your tables as per the colors you like. Again, that is a very formatting thing. Now this is a summary for the sales of a particular organization. So here we have got data wise sales table. So you can see which datas you have sold the most, which are your top 10 datas, profit made on a sale to a particular datas. Then there's a product wise sale table giving you similar kind of information about the product sales. Then this next table gives you state-wise distribution or geographical distribution of your sales, wherein you can see Gujarat covers the majority of the sales of this company. And then there is a month-wise and year-wise comparison of the sales. Now this data is only for 2 months of a year. So where you can only see April and okay, sorry. I guess April and May are selected. Okay, no, so this data is only for 2 months of the year. So we can only see 2 years in that bar diagram. But if your data is for the a whole 12 months of the year, then there will be equal number of bars in this table. So again, if I go on selecting or applying filters on each table, so let's say Sun Pharmaceuticals Industry Limited, we select it here. So these are the various products sold to Sun Pharma. And then again, if you want to select any particular product, so this is the okay. So now the data has been filtered for that particular product. And again, then we have few key performing indicators that we are monitoring here. Moving on to our next report. This report gives a summary of data's aging, that is some outstanding analysis. Then we have prepared a receipt and payment summary, that is what were the major receipts for the company and what were the major payments for the company. This is the interesting part where we have summarized the profit and loss account of a client, particular client. Let me enlarge this for you. So this is the profit and loss account monthly, where you can do a comparison on month-to-month basis. And let's say if you want more details about the admin expenses, on one click you can get the same here. And similarly for employee or any other expenses, if you want, can be fetched. So this report gives you summary as well as a detailed report if and when required on a single click of a buttons. Okay, so just by clicking on drill down, you can make the report a detailed one. And again, you can get a summary of the same report on a single click. Slicers can be used to filter your data or apply for various selections that you want. So this is how your Power BI report will look like based on the data available with you. Obviously, this can be used for many other purposes depending on your requirement and again data available with you. Thinking of very few things that comes to my mind. First few things that come to mind when we use about Power BI, you can use it for your daily MIS or monthly MIS reportings. You can use it for a presentation where you want to present dynamic data that keeps on changing or that can be drilled down a multiple levels. So on single presentation, you can also share the summary information, and also if people want or your viewer want, you can share with them the details of those summary that you have. It can be used by the management to keep an eye on the key performing indicators of an organization. wherein you can ask your team to keep on updating these things on Power BI, and using Power BI services, web services, this can be published on their mobile or even on their system, and they can just by opening that particular Power BI application get an access of good amount of information which otherwise they have to open a particular software or get back to their accounting team or finance team. Let me see if we are missing anything. Again, this will these are the things that will be covered in the Power BI course that will be coming up in near future. Okay, one important feature about Power BI that we can cover, show you. You can easily switch across the visualizations that you want. So this visualization gives a pie chart. If you do not want a pie chart and you want a tile map or tree map, on a single click, this visualization will change. And then there's also an option to publish this data so that it can be easily shared across the organization. So that is somewhere. Okay, I think we need to log in for getting that publish function. So once we log in using this sign in feature, there will be an option coming to publish this particular report, and from where you'll be able to publish this uh, report on the Power BI service portal. So I think this is it, that we want to give you a glimpse about the Power BI and various Power BI reports. If you have any questions about Power BI, you can always contact us on this email ID or phone number. And if any questions are there, then you are welcome and we'll be happy to answer those questions. So I'll stop the screen share here and we can take any questions if there are any. In case where we are not having any question, I think then we can end this session. Uh, Thank you very much, Consultis, for giving us this opportunity. Thanks to all
Okay,
the viewers for this silent and patient hearing. Shikaji, over to you.
okay. Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you.
And okay, with this, I'm ending today's session.